Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you the incredible shivering, screaming quarter in dry ice. Check this out. So all I'm using in this investigation are, of course, some quarters and this nice chunk of dry ice. Now, the reason they call it dry is because normal ice melts into a liquid, but dry ice sublimates. It changes from a solid directly into a gas. And it's carbon dioxide gas that it changes into. So all you need to do in this investigation is take a quarter, and if you press it against the dry ice, it'll make this incredible sound. Isn't that crazy? Here's another screaming quarter. You ready? It is screaming out because it's so cold. Dry ice is about negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, as that gas starts to escape from the solid, it pushes up against the quarter and it makes that vibration. Another way you can see the effect of that gas sublimating from dry ice is by taking a quarter and pushing it in at an angle to see if it'll shake back and forth as the dry ice creates gas that's trying to escape around the quarter. Let's see if that one will shake a little bit. Well, let's try another one. Oh, that one's gone. Look at it go. And what's happening is that gas is trying to escape around the edges of the quarter, and that's what makes it move like that. Isn't that amazing? Just awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.